So if you divide that to on a daily basis, you can earn as much as $250 a day. This is Jack once again from Jack Makes Money on YouTube. Before anything else, I just want to say thank you so much for our first 20 subscribers. And thank you so much guys for the love and support for watching my videos. And as a token of my appreciation, I'll be giving away 50 pesos load to isang lucky viewer natin for today's video. And i-announce ko siya sa susunod po nating video na i-upload. So without further ado, let's get right straight to the topic for today's video. See you there. Hello guys, my name is Jack and welcome to my channel. Gumagawa po ako ng mga videos about money making online. So if you are new to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload ko. And you can get a chance to win weekly giveaway load. Hi guys, so ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon is a website in which you can apply as an online tutor. So it's a non-voice job, so you will not take calls or anything related to voiced account. Ang maganda dito guys is pwede mo siyang gawin part-time or full-time. So depende siya sa'yo kung ano ang gusto mo. And also you can work on this on flexible hours, so they will not require you to log into a specific time and log out at a specific time as well. So you can do this any time of the day, okay? And even if you spend like 1 or 2 hours a day, it's totally fine. And pwede siya sa students, and pwede siya sa may full-time job, and for those, especially dun sa mga nasa bahay lang. And the application process is free, so you don't have to worry about paying anything. Wala kang ilalabas na pera dito, and their mode of payment is through PayPal. So, huwag natin palagarin pa. Let's head straight to my screen so that I can show you the application process. Okay, so let's get right to it. Hi guys, so this is the website that I've been talking about, which is called Studypool. I will be putting the link on the description box. So, ang gagawin nyo lang po dito is sasagutan nyo yung mga questions and homework ng mga students. And if nagustuhan nila yung answer mo, and if they think na you are able to provide the information that they need, dun ka po nila babayaran. Ang website nito, as mentioned earlier, will allow you to apply to become a tutor. Okay? So ano ba ang mga subjects na ino-offer nila dito? So you just have to click on this all subjects part, and then makikita mo dito lahat ng mga available subjects na kung saan related yung mga questions ng mga clients nila. So as you can see, they have algebra, anatomy, statistics, arts and design. So almost anything guys. If you think na you are a master or excellent on 1 or 2 of any of these fields, I would strongly suggest that you apply for a part-time job with Studypool. Okay? So, paano ba ang pag-apply? All you need to do is to click on become a tutor. Okay? And then after that, you'll be redirected to this page. So, as you can see guys, you can earn as much as up to $7,500 monthly. So if you divide that to on a daily basis, you can earn as much as $250 a day. And then after that, you just have to click on apply now, and then you'll be redirected to the page where you will have to create your own Studypool account. So you can simply fill up the information needed, the email, the username, the password. And you can also use your Google account, your Facebook, or your LinkedIn account. Okay guys, so this will be the actual application process. So there are 5 steps, and ito yung first part, which they will ask for your personal information. So, ang kailangan mo lang gawin is you fill up all the information needed, which is your first name, your last name, your nationality, which is of course the Philippines, and then yung address mo. And then they will also ask you how did you hear about Studypool. So sa part ko, I just put here a YouTube advertisement, and then of course your academic background. Now, you might wonder, ang nakalagay dito is find your school. Okay, so you just have to type the school on where you graduated or where you are currently enrolled. So if you cannot find your school there, you can simply do the manual input. Okay? And then, ilagay nyo na rin po kung ano yung major nyo. Then after you fill up all the information needed, just click on next step. Now the next part, or the step 2, is your biography, or you tell about a little bit of yourself in which the clients will be able to read it if they want to hire you or not. So it will be a huge factor for your account. So make sure na gandahan nyo yung isusulat nyo dito. Okay? So you are required to write at least a minimum of 200 characters. Okay? So isi-skip lang natin yan. And then once after you write your own your own biography, you will be then asked for your preferred rates. Okay, so in this part here, if you click on the drop down menu, you will be asked for kung how much ba yung gusto mong kitain per hour. So the users will be able to view your profile and will know your preferred rates. So depende sa you guys kung magkano. But it's okay because you can also change this later at any time sa profile mo. Okay? And then after that, you will also have the option to upload an image. Okay? So skip ko muna yun just so we can go through the application process ng mabilis. Okay? So the next part will be the writing skill assessment. As a part na to guys, you will be asked to write an essay of 200 words, and then you will have to choose a subject or the topic na susulatan mo ng essay. So there are 4 questions na you can choose. So why is education important? Why are tutors important? And why is experience in a job required? Why is the internet good or bad? So pinili ko is why is experience in a job required. So as you can see here, the requirements are you need to write at least between 200 to 500 words. It must be free of plagiarism, proper grammar, and no spelling mistakes, very important. And then failing to meet our quality standards will result in rejected applications. And also written here, at least one example of correct use of all the following: commas, colons, semicolons, etc. Alright, so we'll just skip this part, and then after that, you just have to click on checkbox here that says, upon submitting this essay, I confirm that it meets the requirements outlined and I consent to the terms and conditions of Studypool. And then after that, just click on next step. And then the next part, which is the step 4, is the quiz of the true or false. Now sa part na to guys, it's very important na before you take this test, you first read everything thoroughly. It's because you are only allowed to get 3 mistakes. The moment that you get 3 mistakes, I believe na ma-terminate yung application mo right there and then. Malalaman mo guys kung tama or mali yung sagot mo. It's because pag nag-green siya, meaning you got the right answer. And if mali naman siya, may magpa-prompt na nabawasan niya yung number of chances mo of getting a mistake. So, as you can see here on the last step, nilagay nila yung payment method nila. So, make sure na you have one of any of the following here, which is PayPal, Western Union, Payoneer, TransferWise, and this one here as well. I don't know how you read it. I think it's Mopesa. Okay? And then, after that, you just put your mobile number. Make sure na i-click nyo muna yung flag dito na to choose the flag of the Philippines so you can enter your mobile number. Kasi ang default niya is USA. Okay? And then, you have to check the box where it asks you to pledge for excellence. So, meaning, you agree na magpo-provide ka ng full explanation when answering questions and to show patience with every student. Okay? So, nakalagay din dito guys yung original work or plagiarism policy. So, as you can see here, nakalagay plagiarism is a serious offense and has legal and financial consequences. It is the tutor's responsibility to provide an original, high-quality answer to the student's question and, when necessary, to cite sources used. Tutors who submit plagiarized answers are potentially subject to $100 fine, a 72-hour suspension of their account, a legal action on the part of Studypool against them, and a punitive damages sought by the student against them. Okay, so as you can see guys, it's a very serious matter, so make sure that you don't write a plagiarized content or answer to your students. Okay? And then, just click on that you agree on the provided, original and personalized help, and then straight to your electronic signature. Then after that, just click on the next step. Now for the last part is you will be asked to verify your identification by providing an ID or a photo. So nakalagay dito guys kung paano yung way ng pag-send mo ng photo. So as you can see here, you will have to upload a photo holding a government-issued document from the country where you are a citizen or a resident, alongside a handwritten note with the text KYC for Studypool, along with the current date. And then, ito yung mga documents na they accept. They accept passport, driver's license, residency permit, and ID card. Okay? And then make sure that your face and your ID are both clearly visible in the photo. Okay? So, nag-try ako mag-upload guys ng kanina. And then, the first one na in-upload ko, hindi siya tinanggap agad kasi nga, I think, hindi klaro yung mukha ko sa ID. So, here it is guys. Then after you upload, click on upload file. And na. So, you will be then redirected to this page in which naka-mention na your application is now under review. And the Studypool applications are reviewed within 12 hours. Okay, so magsasend lang sila sa'yo ng email for the result of your application. Okay? Alright, so that's it for the application process and the review of the studypool.com. So if you guys think that this will be helpful for you and sa mga friends and family mo that want a part-time job while at home, make sure to share this video and make sure that you hit that like button and subscribe as well. So, para manalo ka ng 50 pesos load natin sa na-i-announce ko sa next upload, just leave a comment down below and I'll see you right on our next video. Thank you guys. Ciao.